Hello viewers, welcome to the best purchase guide on YouTube. We all know that it's difficult to find the best product according to our budget. To make your purchase decision easier and to save your time, in this video our expert team picked only the finest items for you based on features, manufacturer's reputation, price and actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Bosch RBS 030MBS wood router bit. This Bosch carbide-tipped router bits deliver precision and durability. They feature premium quality micrograin carbide tips that are engineered with a special heat treating process for an extra fine finish and increased wear resistance. The tips provide maximum sharpness and edge retention. The fully hardened and tempered steel shanks provide ultimate durability. Bosch router bits are designed for processing soft and hard wood as well as wood composites. These bits are ideal for finishing in a wide range of applications. Bits are designed for processing soft and hard wood as well as wood composites. Micrograin carbide tip router bit design ensures consistently smooth finish cuts with superior wear resistance. No risk of injuries while taking out the bit due to unique case construction. The bit can be taken out easy and safe from the shank. This different wood carving drill bit set in one set, different shapes are suitable for different processing, perfect for wood craving, drilling, beveling, chamfering, grooving, reaming, shaping, hollowing and other more operations. A 1/8 inch, 1/4 inch, 3/16 inch, 5/16 inch, the router bit set is light and compact, easy to carry, also suitable for home decoration polishing, very suitable for light industry. The roundover router bit set uses premium C2 carbide inserts that are sharper and more durable. The router bit set is light and compact, easy to carry, also suitable for home decoration polishing, perfect for light industry. High-quality carbon steel, high-quality tungsten steel alloy, high-tech special grinding process, good blade strength, high hardness, sharp and wear resistant, higher efficiency, providing clean and sharp cutting. Create smooth, rounded edges on boards and panels that require little sanding before painting. These rotary tools carving bits made of high-speed steel for sturdy and durable, good wear resistance and heat resistance. It provides long service life to help you solve different work needs, such as wood deburring, grooving, shaping, engraving, drilling etc. Wood carving tools suitable for detailed work, such as wooden furnishing articles gadgets, or miniature buildings. A valuable addition tools for woodworkers. Wood carving bits widely applied in different kinds of materials including wood, PVC, plastics, foam etc. Third choice in our list is Co-Wood router bits. Multi-purpose set for the beginner, which cover most of the household, arts and crafts woodworks needs. All bits in 1/4 inch shank, and perfectly fit with most handheld or table routers. This set comes with a wooden case, which is accessible, organizational and very convenient. Professional standard and router bit with high performance grade carbide. Boasting alloy blade, balanced craftsmanship and a solid hardened steel board, these woodworking tools can withstand some heavy duty use and the test of time. Their clever anti-kickback design ensures safe installation. The 1/4 inch shank bits provide greater stability and less vibration during use. This tongue and groove router bit set is truly versatile for your extra convenience. Works great with woods, MDF, particle board, plywood compact panel. The included wooden case is sturdy and makes storing the high-quality router bits convenient while in between jobs or DIY home improvement projects. The case also helps protect the bits while traveling to work on the go or remote site locations. High-speed steel carving burr bits set with 1/8 inch shank, length 1.57 inch, 40 mm, for use with most small rotary tools etc. Help you finish your work more easily and quickly, and meet most of your needs for woodworking and carving. Number 4 on our side is Tooldo router bit. Tooldo router bits are manufactured by Precision CNC, giving precision cutting. Precisely machined sharp C2 carbide blades provides a clean and accurate cut with durable powder coating finish. Tooldo router bit 35 pieces set has shear angle technology, which can improve cutting quality, speed and extend service life. The inclined angle facilitates the removal of wood chips. Universal 1/4 inch shank, perfectly fit most handheld or table routers. Those router bits, great for woods, MDF, particle board, plywood or plastic. Direct sale from manufacturer, provide the best cost but remain in great quality. Comes with an A3 poster, an A3 fraction decimal conversion chart and a set of replaceable bearings. Tool router bit has shear angle technology, which can improve cutting quality, speed and extend service life. The inclined angle facilitates the removal of wood chips. The long life carbide grade tip has increased toughness to retain a sharp cutting edge. The straight bit is made with a precision cut hook and shear angle that ensures straight, smooth cuts. Bits precisely match the requirement of the American dimension and standard. American Industry Classification C3 carbide. Provide superior wear resistance and sharp edges for the best finish. Last in our top 5 best router bits list is Platinum Edge router bits. Precisely machined sharp YG8 tungsten carbide blade makes clean and accurate cuts on all types of wood. With 2 cutting edges, our router bit set surpass single edge bits in making smooth cuts. Universal 1/4 inch shank is compatible with all major router instruments, either handheld or benchtop router table. This tongue and groove router bit set is truly versatile for your extra convenience. Perfect for edging, trimming, veining and grooving in all woodworking projects. Hardened solid alloy steel construction with a powder coating finish for durability and longevity. It is very well constructed, sturdy, and very reliable. Comes with a storage case with a latch for easy storage and organization. Sturdy and protect the bits while traveling to work. Box is marked with scale and can be placed back in the correct position after use. Each bit is powder coated for an extra layer of protection that stays sharp for durability. Protects against corrosion and provides a longer bit life. The surfacing router bit utilizes 4-sided solid carbide inserts. All 4 edges of carbide inserts can be used. Use a screwdriver to make other blade edge outside. Replace the carbide inserts when needed, instead of replacing the whole bit. Cost-effective solution compared to brazed router bits and solid carbide spiral bits. This planar router bit is perfect for wood slabs flattening, resurface or plane the top surface of the spoil board. Used on soft and hard woods, particle board, MDF, plywood compact panel, laminate, acrylic and etc. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.